The latest generation of Myenergi products have built-in Ethernet and Wi-Fi, allowing them to connect to the internet. If you have recently changed your router, it's important to let your Myenergi products know about it. To do this, you will need to reset your Wi-Fi configuration and set it up again. On your Myenergi product, we're going to need to go into Menu, Other Settings, Advanced. Through the passcode, by default they're all zeros, keep pressing plus. System, Reset Wi-Fi config, and plus. This will now reset the Wi-Fi within your Myenergi product to a factory fresh state, allowing you to connect to your new router.